with regards to the fiesta, I am the head of the committee on the Binibining Bayambang part. But with the statue, the celebration, to be honest, it's very complicated to get involved with structures and, the science of it. That I just stayed behind in the supporting my husband part. And of course, really, it's for the people. This is for the people. The statue is for Bayambang and for the people so that, we can thank God for all His blessings, thank Saint Vincent Ferrer, because Saint Vincent Ferrer has been guiding our family and our Bayambanggenos talaga, especially Cesar. And we got married in that church also, so it's a thanksgiving to him na rin. And, yun po. Yun. And actually, because politics the same din sa showbiz honestly. Medyo magulo. Pero, I can say I'm contented. I am happy, I'm contented. I'm very blessed. And I have a very loving husband, loving son, loving family, and there's nothing more I could ask for.
Okay. Showbiz.
To be honest po, may offers po, pero ayaw na po na asawa ko eh. Kasi gusto niya nakafocus ako sa kanya, and of course sa aming bayan. Pero, di ba pwede naman akong bumisita? Sabi mo, produce. Pero, minsan po, namimiss ko rin talaga. Minsan gusto ko lang, I text my other friends who are still in show business. I wanna watch them, or I have talks with Ate Ayan, we wanna produce a movie. Nakakamiss rin, pero there's something more I can ask her. I'm very happy with my husband and I